it's not okay. A freaking tarantula almost bit my freaking arm off.
And Mickey, do something. I'm scared. Well, right there.
Right freaking there, you blind.
Are you talking about that? The itsy bitsy spider? Wow, ladies. All right, fine, I'll squish it.
No, don't hurt it.
Oh my God. Are you serious?
You're freaking suicidal, man.